Alright guys, welcome back to the snippety snip part of the tutorial or unboxing bit. I hope this will just come out gently and smoothly. And then the drone. Wow, this thing is light. Okay, this thing is super light. I'm hoping that it has the same kind of motors and props as the other one that I recently got, which is super heavy. This one's all carbon fiber and everything. So this is the Happy Model Mantis 85 on the right, and on the left we have this awesome betafpv iron quad. So what I can see is that hopefully those are similar props. The sizes are a little bit different really, so I'm not sure how that's gonna go.
Likey.